Welcome to our exploration of the unique and fascinating world of historical home restoration. Historical homes carry the legacy of our past, offering a window into different architectural eras and styles. The market for restoring these properties is niche, yet significant, appealing to those who value heritage and history. Restoring a historical home is not without its challenges. It requires a delicate balance between preserving original features and modernizing for comfort and safety. Heritage preservation is at the heart of this process. Restorers must work closely with conservation experts to ensure historical accuracy and integrity. These homes aren't just buildings, they're cultural artifacts. Restoring them adds economic value and helps preserve our collective history. The market for restored historical homes is driven by enthusiasts and collectors, often commanding a premium due to their uniqueness and historical significance. In conclusion, the historical homes restoration market plays a crucial role in preserving our architectural heritage. It's a testament to our respect for history and our desire to keep the past alive in the present. Thank you for joining me in this journey through time and architecture. Stay up to date on what's happening in the current real estate market. For more videos like this, like and subscribe.